It's been the coldest winter in decades this year. At one point, Canada was colder than the North frickin' Pole. This winter layering is not to be messed with, and you can watch more legit layering videos in my winter playlist. One of my greatest weapons against the cold is the Uniqlo Heat Tech line. I always make sure it's an underlayer, and I like the cut of the men's line better because it has a higher neck, whereas the women's is more of a boat neck. The material is really soft, making it an ideal first layer, and its fabric technology allows heat retention and moisture wicking. We're maintaining a close fit for the second layer to keep the heat from escaping. This turtleneck will help with that as well. Now for bottoms, again, Uniqlo Heat Tech tights are not like ordinary tights with heat retention technology in this fabric as well. Then on top, I have these really cool leggings my mom got for me. I haven't been able to track them down myself, but they have an extra sleeve or leg at the bottom, sort of like a stirrup, but just an extra element of protection. Now I can totally wear ripped jeans over this solidly protected bottom. Nobody ever expects Converse to be a practical winter shoe, but these were made specifically for the winter. They have extra tread on the sole as well as a neoprene lining inside the shoe. It's also 100% waterproof. I was so surprised to see these and decided I had to try them out for myself, so I guess you can wear sneakers in the winter. For outerwear, we are going all out. I have an ultra light down jacket, super fitted with an extra inner sleeve and high collar. That acts as a windbreaker as well. Then for a durable, thicker fabric, I'm throwing over this denim jacket, which is actually an essential piece, and you'll see why. Because in my last layer, I have this amazingly thick faux shearling coat. It holds in warmth incredibly well, but any wind that passes through it can let in cold air. It also doesn't have a zipper, which is why a tighter woven fabric like denim as well as a nylon shell inner jacket makes it a perfect pairing. I love that this fuzzy coat can be dressed up and down and is a great alternate to parka jackets without sacrificing function. With this amount of layering, I can take it all off and be comfortable indoors, but be absolutely prepared for the elements as tested in this ridiculous cold. And my favorite winter accessory, Smart Touch gloves. Now you don't have to worry about frozen fingers because there's no need to take off your gloves. Take it from a Canadian, winter is not to be messed with. You can see all of my other How to Legit Layer videos in my winter playlist and more cold weather styling on my Insta at Letitia Q. Enjoy!